Some AI tools are so powerful, it literally feels illegal to use them, and the crazy part is, most people still don't know about them. But today, I'm going to show you 10 AI tools that can completely change the way you work and even how you make money online. Tool 1, ChatGPT, but not the way most people use it. Most beginners only use it for simple questions. But in reality, this tool can do much more. You can use it to write full articles, YouTube scripts, emails, and even generate business ideas in minutes. Instead of spending hours thinking, you just give one prompt and it gives you complete results instantly. This alone can save you hundreds of hours. Tool 2, Midjourney. This tool can turn your imagination into reality. You just type what you want, and it creates stunning images for you. From realistic photos to fantasy art, everything is possible. People are already using this to create thumbnails, designs, and even selling AI-generated art online. Tool 3, Runway AI. This tool can literally turn text into video. Yes, you heard that right. You just type a scene, and AI creates a video for you. No camera, no editing skills, nothing required. This is one of the biggest reasons why faceless YouTube channels are growing so fast. Tool 4, ElevenLabs. This tool can create ultra-realistic voiceovers. It sounds almost like a real human. You can even clone voices and generate speech from text. So you don't need a mic. You don't need to record anything. Everything is done by AI. Tool 5, Notion AI. This is like your personal assistant. It can write notes, summarize content, plan your tasks, and organize your entire workflow. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you can manage everything in one place. Tool 6, Pictory. This tool turns scripts into full videos. You just paste your script, and it automatically creates a video with visuals. This is how many people are building faceless YouTube channels and earning money online. Tool 7, Durable AI. This tool can create a complete website in less than 30 seconds. You don't need coding, you don't need design skills, just one click, and your website is ready. This is perfect for beginners who want to start online business quickly. Tool 8, Leonardo AI. This tool creates high-quality graphics and designs instantly. You can use it for thumbnails. You can use it for logos, social media posts, and much more. It gives you professional-level results without any experience. Tool 9, Copy.ai. This tool is perfect for marketing. It can write captions, ads, product descriptions, and even sales pages. Instead of struggling with words, AI does it for you in seconds. Tool 10, Sora AI. This is one of the most powerful AI tools. It can generate realistic videos from simple text prompts. This technology is still growing, but it's already changing everything. This is the future of content creation. So these were 10 AI tools that feel almost illegal to know. If you use them properly, they can save your time, increase your productivity, and even help you make money online. But remember, tools don't change your life, your actions do. So start using them today. And if you want to learn how to actually make money using AI, make sure to check out my other videos. I'll see you in the next one.